Hello, I'm Hartie Spence with Ash Industries. I hope you will come see us at the upcoming Design-2-part trade show in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Design-2-part trade shows are fantastic, but we are waiting on you. We want to have that special discussion about how to lower your part cost, improve delivery, or tackle that unique manufacturing hurdle that you are trying to overcome. Welcome to Ash Industries and our thermoplastic injection molding manufacturing group. We manufacture a wider variety of materials in a greater number of configurations than anybody in this part of the United States. This can be a medical device, it can be a new electronic component, this can be something that's going to save lives, it can be something that makes a difference. We are the expert in helping you determine not only the physical configuration of your part, but also the type of tooling you might need, the material you might need.
We can aid in developing your product from napkin sketch all the way through to final assembly and packaging.
When a customer comes to us, of course, they're concerned about what it's going to cost. However, during that conversation, we will try to ascertain how the part will be used.
We can assist in tolerance studies, material selection.
Do you need a specific type of thermoplastic to withstand the rays of the sun? Or perhaps you're going to be using the part in a high heat environment, the chemical environment, joining with other parts. What other substances are going to be around the component?
Ease of manufacturing, ease of assembly. We call it DFM, Design for Manufacturing.
What will make this product absolutely successful? This past year, we've had all sorts of fantastic new people join our staff at Ash Industries. And we're also investing in new equipment. We have spent $1 million this year alone in new equipment. This machine in particular is a large 600-ton machine. The beauty of it is that we have the option of shooting up to 250 square inches of thermoplastic in one shot. 10 pounds of material. We can make it happen because we understand the details that it takes to make products a reality.
We build a lot of molds. We've seen lots of different types of mold designs over the years. We're very efficient and we get the job done to have the parts come out of the tool right the first time.
I love what I do. I have a lot of freedom. I'm always pushing the limits of the machines, the tools. What can we do? Can we do it faster? Can we do it cheaper? Can we do it, better?
Every day we overmold, insert mold, two-shot mold. In fact, we can help you combine processes.
We're engineers. We like working with engineers.
We have a manufacturing group that is ideally suited to silicone. Well, we have a number of customers that overmold silicone on top of a thermoplastic component, or we have another manufacturing group that creates custom metal components in a Swiss lathe process. You may have an ideal core pin or a heat stake or some type of electrical transmitter, and we will overmold that component inside a thermoplastic body.
Try to lower the cost of the part, lower the cost of the tooling any chance we get.
Furthermore, Ash Industries will pad print, hot stamp, screen print, epoxy bond, sonic weld, and combine any number of processes to give you an ideal component.